Hey everybody, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I recently had several people ask me what I have been using on my hair recently, and I wanted to talk about it because I have found these products to be probably the best products I've ever used for helping with damaged hair, repairing hair. I've tried several systems on my hair to help repair all the damage that's been done with all the bleaching that I've done for the past 33 years. I stopped bleaching the beginning of this year and I had a lot of damaged hair. The thing I started out with first that seemed to really help with the shine of my hair and controlling frizz in my hair is this product. I absolutely love this product. It's something I never not use on my hair. This is called Perfect Serum, and it's by a company called Mise. I think that's how you pronounce it. I actually picked this up from Amazon, and if you may not think you're familiar with the company Mise, but when you hear who they are, you'll definitely know who they are. Mise is actually a South Korean hair care brand. It is part of a larger corporation, which is Amore Pacific. I'm sure everybody in my audience is familiar with the company Amore Pacific. This has been South Korea's #1 hair care brand for the past 12 years. I can see why, because everything I've tried from this company so far, I've absolutely loved. They specialized in repairing damaged hair. This particular serum, the original serum, I get this off of Amazon. The way I use this is I wash my hair, condition my hair, and then I let my hair air dry. And what I do is I put one drop in the palm of my hands. I kind of warm it up, and then I put it all over my damp hair. And then when I wake up the next morning, the frizzies are gone and I have so much shine in my hair. It's crazy. I love, love, love this Perfect Serum. Well, I left them a great review and they asked me if I wanted to test out their shampoo and conditioner, and I said yes, because I love this company. What they sent me is this. This is their Perfect Serum Original Shampoo and their Perfect Serum Conditioner. These products were gifted by Mise, and I want to thank them for sending them to me. As an entire system, these are fabulous. This Perfect Serum Shampoo, I'll show you what it looks like. It comes out and it has a lovely, lovely, little bit of a floral scent, but very light. It comes out like this, and I put it on my wet hair, shampoo it in like I normally do. This contains argan, coconut, and jojoba oil. It just smells lovely. It has a very rich, creamy texture when you wet it, and it lathers on my hair, and then it rinses out very easily. It is definitely a moisturizing, I would say hydrating shampoo. It's fabulous for all hair types, but I find it to be great as a reparative shampoo for people that have dry hair, that have frizzy hair, that want to smooth it out and put a lot of shine back in your hair. This shampoo is just amazing. And then I used it with their Perfect Serum Conditioner, and I'll show you what this looks like. It comes out almost like a cream. This also has the same fabulous kind of floral scent. You can see how beautifully kind of hydrating it is. I am a huge fan of Amore Pacific. I'm also a huge fan of Mise. I love this whole Perfect Serum system. The shampoo is fabulous. I mean, it's huge. And the conditioner that goes with it is great. And my normal hair care routine now is washing my hair with the Perfect Serum, using the Perfect Serum conditioner, and then I'll set my hair, you've seen it, in little pin curls on the top of my head, and I'll leave the rest of my hair straight and air dry. When my hair is damp, I put one drop of the Perfect Serum on the palms of my hand hands, kind of, rub it together. And then I just apply that one drop to the rest of my hair and let it air dry. And I always wake up with like the most gorgeous shine in my hair, but it doesn't weigh my hair down. That is the one thing that drives me crazy when I use certain things for damaged hair. They'll kind of be heavy, be too kind of creamy-ish, almost too hydrating, and weigh my hair down. This does not. Love Mise. It is and has been the #1 Korean hair care brand for the past 12 consecutive years. I can see why, but the system contains a lot of naturally occurring oils that are going to help to hydrate your hair, moisturize your hair, and give it tons and tons of shine. So you can see the difference in the comparison of the before and after. Before I shampooed, conditioned, and used the perfect serum in my hair, and the after is super shiny. I have tons of body in my hair. It's helped with any frizzy ends. It also helps with the appearance of dry, damaged hair and any split ends or dry ends you might have. My hair almost looks like fake wig hair, but it's not. This is all my hair. I just love this whole system. These, so far, I would have to say, out of all the hair care systems, hair care products I've tried, these products have probably been the best products I've used on my hair for giving it shine and for repairing the damage. Good for all hair types, and I use this in my hair care routine now, and I use the perfect serum every time I wash my hair, which is every day. I'm one of those everyday washers, so I do need something that's going to kind of help with any drying out from washing it, and this is amazing. You can get these products on the Amazon website. I'll leave the link down in my description box. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.